Today I'm going to share a website that you can use to earn up to $7,500 in a single month. And here is the best part. This can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. And it is 100% free to join and get started with. Now this website has been featured in Forbes magazine, Inc.com and many more. So if you have been looking for a genuine way to make money online and from home, then keep watching, because I will walk you through this entire process step by step. And if you watch this video until the end, you will know exactly how this works, how to set everything up, and more importantly, how to actually get paid. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So we're looking at this website today and it's been around for a number of years and I've never actually come across this. So let's jump over in the website and I'll share this one with you. So today we're looking at this website over here and it's called studypool.com. Now this is the US version of this site. They've got different ones available depending on the country you're in. You can see this is the UK version and there's many more of these available and I'll show you that in a second. But basically, how does it work over on this website? Well, you see here, you can earn money for answering homework questions. And it says homework questions, but it's not specifically homework. And you can see here, earn up to $7,500 US monthly. Now, in terms of this, how does it all work? So if I come over here onto the homepage, so you can see this is indeed being featured on Entrepreneur, Forbes, etc, etc. So on here, people sign up to this website when they need help with a question. And you see up here, you've got all of these different categories. So you've got business. So if you just click on here, look, we've got all of these down here. So look, Facebook marketing, print media, retail, real estate, sales, etc. We've then got humanities, art, history, and many more. We've got mathematics, programming, science, writing. So these are the main ones that they're focusing on, but if you come over here where it says all subjects, look, you can go through and have a look at this in a bit more, in depth and a bit more detail. But how it works is people post questions over on this website here, and you can simply answer those questions and earn money for doing so. Now, in terms of the fees on here, it starts from 20%. So basically, you can see here, Studypool charges the lowest service fees in the market. We like to give our tutors what they earn. However, they are going to take a 20% fee of whatever money that you earn. Now it says on here reliable income, so basically you can make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and a keyboard. And another reason why I like this website is, look at this, you can choose when to work and when you want to work. There's no boss, no office and no quarters, so you can create your own schedule. So how it works is people come over to this website here and they ask these questions. Now over here you can see how much they're willing to pay if you can answer this question for them. So there's some, there's some low amounts on here, like this one down here, look, $5, and then there's some high paying ones, which is $150. And literally there's hundreds of these available every single day. Now over on the right hand side here, look at this, highest earners on the platform. This Henry Professor, he's earned over $500,000 answering questions on this platform. We've then got Robert F, etc, etc. So it's pretty simple and it's easy to do. So for this, you literally come over here and you click on become a tutor. Now in terms of this, don't worry, because you don't have to, you don't have to be a tutor, you don't have to have, degrees and all this sort of stuff. If you do have that in a certain subject or, a topic, then that's going to help you more, but you don't have to have a degree or a bachelor's degree or anything like that to sign up with this website. In fact, I actually found this article over here. This was a sponsored post, so that basically means that this website over here, this Studypool, paid the blog owner to go ahead and share this article. But if I scroll down here, look, who is eligible to sign up as a Studypool tutor? Anyone can sign up. And it says here you'll need to submit an application and go through a vetting process. It takes a bit of effort, but it's worthwhile if you're serious about earning good money. So you don't have to, be a professional in a certain category or have, a degree, as I've already mentioned. Now, if I come down here, how much can you earn? Studypool's top earning tutors make well over $100,000 a year. come further down the page. In fact, what I'll do is I'll drop a link to this article here for you. You can go ahead and check this out. So how does Studypool send payments? Well, you can get paid in a number of ways. So currently, at the time of this video, they do this via TransferWise, Payoneer, Western Union and PayPal. The other thing I found on here was it's here. You've got to reach a minimum of $50 before you can go ahead and withdraw the earnings. Is there a set schedule with this website? No, you can basically just, log into this and answer questions which you know the answer to. Could you get ripped off using Studypool? No, basically, because you see here, Studypool actually accepts the money from the students before you even answer the question, and basically they hold it until a question has been answered. And then how do you start tutoring over on Studypool? Literally, you click here. And this is just taking us back to the Studypool website, whereby you come up here and you click on Become a Tutor. So to do this, you just click on Apply Now and look, Become a Tutor. And you sign up and you go through this process. And then once you've signed up and you've gone through this, you can start answering these different questions that are available on here. Now, one other thing for you is if you scroll down to the bottom here, you can see popular tutor countries. So these are just the popular ones, but it's still available in every country. So these are the most popular countries: Canada, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, etc. These are the most popular ones. But I mean, look at this. The UK is not listed down here, but you can still go ahead and you see up here, look, studypool.com tags UK. So this is the UK one. So depending on, your country and whereby you are, you just come over to Studypool, click on this, and it brings you over to your country's version of the website. So if I scroll down here, the other thing I wanted to share with you is you can see they've got site ratings. So we've got Trustpilot, SiteJabber and Studypool. You can go ahead and read any of these reviews that you like. And then finally, the last thing I wanted to share with you was this article over here. And again, I'll drop a link to this below for you. This gives some more answers to, some frequently asked questions. So what you need to know about Studypool. So if I scroll down here, it goes through, about geographical limitations. Absolutely not. Studypool welcomes tutors from all around the world. Tutors can work where they want and when they want. So it's a pretty good method to make money. What about hours? Is this full-time or part-time? Questions are posted 24/7 to Studypool, so tutors can choose their own hours and how much they want to work. Now if I come down here, I just want to show you this bit as well. Are there any limitations to how long? Oh, no, it's not that one, sorry, it is this one here. So I'm sure some of you watching this will say, well, I'm not a tutor, I don't have, a degree, etc. Do you require any kind of specialised training or experience? No special training or qualifications are required. Indeed, as part of the application process, tutors are asked to complete a knowledge quiz, and with this, their work on the platform itself leading to special badges. So basically, you can sign up to this website for free and literally go through the process, and then you can come on here and start answering questions which people are posting on the platform. So look, overall, is this a legitimate website? Yes, it's been around for a number of years. You can earn some pretty decent money using this, and it's not going to take you long, is it? You log into the website, you come down, you have a look at the questions that are available to you, that you can go ahead and answer the questions, and you can earn some pretty decent money. So look, if you've used Studypool before, let me know. I'd be interested to hear your comments down below. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.